gym today. If you guys know, I hate the gym, but today I worked up the energy and the strength to go to the gym. I made a membership. The other one that I had, I really liked, but in order to bring a guest, I can only bring one guest every 60 days. So I decided to cancel that gym and go with a different gym with Deja, which is more near her house. It's further for me. But I went, had fun. After that, I decided I was feeling real adultish. So I went grocery shopping. It's been a while since I've done this. And ever since my last video where I learned how to make salmon really crispy and good, I'm like a kick. Like I feel like now I'm like an air fryer cook. You know? Today we're gonna be making salmon, eating healthy stuff.
Oh my god, so hi guys, welcome to the Sims done by Simone kitchen. Is that flaxseed gel?
But
This?
Ginger.
No. Today we are making for our client Simone SHARICE. She wanted, I think, protein pancakes, so we're making that for her. Yeah, come into the pancake fantasy, just flip it. You can see we already prepared it right here.
Ooh, this smells dumb good. It smells real good. You smell it?
I wish you guys can smell it.
Also, I am using the Tammy Hembrow Fitness app. I used to use, I used to use this other one, but I decided to try this one. It was really good. I didn't finish all the workout there because I didn't have like the band. So I'm gonna finish the workout here tonight, but I did most of it, so I feel really fit and slim thick. I was on Hinge also, I was on a treadmill.
Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby.
PR package from Rihanna. What is she showing now? Pre-show glow. Ooh, I'm gonna use this. What is it? It's pre-show glow, instant retexturizing treatment. What? All right, so I'm gonna attempt to put the curtains up in my living room. You guys remember I did my bedroom and it was a little shaky, but I think I learned a thing or two since then. So I bought this really cute gold curtain rod from Amazon, and my neighbor has it, and it looks so cute in her house, so I went ahead and bought the same one. And so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt. Now the curtains that I have are from Home Goods, and I don't think I like those, but I'm just gonna put it up for now. And then I might put it in my office afterwards. But I have 9-foot ceilings, I think, or I don't think it's 10. But I think my curtains are something by 96. So I don't want it to be too short, but I don't want it to be too long. So let's see. curtains up. Obviously, I don't love these curtains, but now I know what measurements I need, which is 96. It's not giving luxe enough, so I'm gonna go to Home Goods probably Saturday and maybe even tomorrow evening and just get some nice, like, luxurious looking ones. Like, I want it to be solid. And then I want to change this blue color out. I don't know who even chose blue for in here.
I don't
know
either.
Hey guys, good morning. Why are you looking at me?
Your hair is horrible.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
So today Zoe is going to get groomed. So we're bringing her to the groomers before the holidays. Then I'm gonna try to go to the gym, and then I gotta bring my grandmother to the doctor and come back home and upload a video for Vlogmas. So we're on good scheduling today. But I just wanna say, I went to the gym yesterday, and you guys know I hate the gym, but I'm trying to be a better me, you know? I also ate vegetables yesterday. Pat on the back. Today I'm gonna take you guys with me to the gym, and then I'm gonna take you guys with me.
Can I go?
Tomorrow, Mom.
No, you keep saying tomorrow.
Why you keep on saying tomorrow?
So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm dropping her off to the groomers, and then I'll look way better when I come back on camera. But yeah, today I'm taking you guys with me as usual, as I do in every vlog. Hey guys, so I'm in the car. I just brought my grandmother to the Zugzor, right? I'm using this new gimbal that I just bought, and that's what's making it kind of like swervy. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy, but it's so cool, and I want to try to vlog on it today. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I love my camera. I am a camera girl. You guys know I don't play when it comes to my technology as far as cameras, but sometimes it's just not the right time and place to bring a camera some places, and sometimes some places actually will be like, yo, you cannot bring a camera in. So I've really just been trying to like get the best use out of my iPhone. It's actually what I bought. Well, my dad bought it for my birthday, so it looks like this. I had the iPhone 12. I had the iPhone 12 and the Pro Max, so it does really well, but I'm actually testing it out on 30 frames per second. So when you see this video, you be the judge and tell me if you think it's crisp enough, okay? And you can use it like that, you can use it like this, and basically it just makes the video really smooth. So even though I'm moving my arm, it doesn't look like wiggly woggly. So like if you're walking, right, and you want to like make it nice and smooth, it's gonna look like this versus it looking like crazy, you know? But yeah, I'm waiting for my grandmother to come out, and in the meantime I'm just sitting here playing around with it.
Merry Christmas!
Zoe, relax. Hi. You peeing all over me. I'm trying to see if she was just. Hey, Zoe. Hey. Alright guys, so I just came back from the gym with my mother.
My hair's a mess.
My mother. And we just did a quick workout. We did arms today. I'm gonna go ahead and just do abs and other things at home, just because like I hate laying like on like the dirty floor, and I didn't bring my mat, and I didn't see any mats, and I didn't feel like cleaning, and I just was really tired. So yeah, but I'm here to pick up Zoe, and I hate going to this groomers just because I feel like they take forever. I brought her at 9:30 a.m. It is 2 o'clock. And the look that they gave her just made her head look fat and just weird and big, and I'm like, you never gave her this haircut. What are we doing? Why are we doing new things every time we get the damn dog back? So I think this is the last time we're gonna come here. They're also really expensive, and then they never answer their phone. So even if you're trying to call to say like what's the ETA on my dog, they just take forever. I mean they don't answer the phone, so you're just gonna have to.
Time of arrival.
Oh, ETA. They don't give me an update of, you know what I mean, y'all. Y'all know what I mean. Anyway, so I'm just waiting on her now, because now we got to sit in the car while they revamp her head, because I just don't like the way her head looks. So I can't vlog with you just sitting here. Much better. That is so cute. Love it. Such good quality. Oh my god, no, it has like little weird yellow stains in it. It's such good quality, like it's nice and thick. It's a thick material. I got this from Amazon. This is so big. I didn't realize how big it was. All right, let me move this because that's not gonna be here. Dang, that's huge. I didn't want it that big, but hey, here we are. I don't know, I'm not feeling it. Still look crazy. In this vlog, I'm not glammed, all right? This is the real me. But we're putting the tree up together, me and my mother, because yesterday we just didn't feel like it. I didn't feel like it, yeah. And then I ended up going out and I was, you know, too much tequila. But wow. So my sister packed away the ornaments from last year, and I mean the tree, and left the gold ornaments on here. Like, what? What happened?
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens
is done. It's actually not bad. As much as I didn't want a white tree this year because I'm over that style, I actually really, really like it. What about you, Ma?
I like it. Up in my face.
But it's not bad. It's very cozy. It's cozy looking. I do want to add, I don't know where I'm going to put this thing right now. This. I might have to put it over here for now.
What?
This end table.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, might have to go over here. But it looks really cute. I'm going to add a ribbon. I feel like it still looks a little incomplete, but I love it. And we are done decorating the tree. I'm probably going to add more zhuzh in the next vlog. So for now, that's where we're leaving the tree at. But I think it's pretty cute, y'all.
It's cute.
It's cute. It's definitely a
You
vibe.
like Simone Sharice.
So I think that might be all for this vlog. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. The next vlog will be a lot of things added into that. I'm hoping this vlog is more than 20 minutes when I finish putting the finish editing. But if it's not, then it is what it is. But this vlog is coming to an end. That was all, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I really took you guys along with me for the last 2 days. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog.